Today we are going to do a variation on Pebbles, and everything will be very similar except for the shape. Instead of a nice circle, we're going to do a nice big fat oval. So it starts very similarly to Pebbles. Let's stitch our first oval. And you're going to trace around part of it just like you did with the circle to kind of get to where you would begin the next oval. And just like in Pebbles, you're going to go the opposite direction for this next oval. Now, these do not all have to go in the same direction. Why don't we do some in a different direction? Now you might find yourself with a little spot like this that's kind of squarish, and if you need to fill it with a circle, go ahead. Ideally, these should all be touching. I have a little bit of a gap right here, but ideally you want these to be almost like a cobblestone kind of a street look, where they're all kind of really hugging each other and there's not little spaces like this between them. And that just comes with practice. I should have made this one a little bit taller or that one a little bit fatter, but as you quilt this, you'll kind of get a feel for how to kind of plan ahead and leave yourself enough space to create your next oval that will fit. Here's our ovals. And this is a kind of a step up from Pebbles. I think it's a nice variation. It's kind of unexpected. I don't see it a lot, but it does require a lot more kind of traveling along previously quilted lines than Pebbles does, because you have kind of a longer segment where these pebbles are smushed up against each other. And because of the nature, you often have to kind of travel quite a ways to kind of get to the next oval. So it's just a little bit more difficult, but it's a lot of fun. And I think it's kind of a nice textural background or textural all over quilting. So I think that this would look great on any quilt. Anything that you would do a pebble on, but you want maybe to give it a little bit of a twist. So I hope you like it and enjoy. Happy quilting!